Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking one of my favourite Southeast Asian recipes. It's a Thai red chicken curry. I'm going to show you how I make my homemade Thai red curry paste, and then I'll be moving on to cooking the curry. This is one really delicious recipe, I hope you enjoy it. First, I gathered all of my ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. On the left I have all of my vegetables that are going to go into the curry. On the right I have all of my ingredients that are going to my Thai red curry paste. The full ingredient list will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Now there are two ways that I recommend to make your own homemade Thai curry paste. Traditionally it is made using a mortar and pestle, and this is best if you have the time because it helps to extract oil from the garlic and ginger and other vegetables. However, instead I prefer to use a high-speed blender or food processor as this works out a lot faster. I'm going to start by chopping up my vegetables into smaller pieces so they can blend easier. I'll be using a whole garlic, which was 10 cloves in total, a small stalk of ginger, 50 grams of chopped coriander, a few dried Kaffir lime leaves, a whole stalk of lemongrass, five medium shallots, and 2 red chili peppers with the seeds removed. Traditionally you'd also add in 6 red Thai bird's eye peppers. These will give the paste a nice deep red colour and add a lot of spice. I've decided not to include these though, as I didn't want to make the curry too spicy for the people that I was cooking for. I'm also adding in the juice from half a lime. Now on to my seasonings for the paste. I'm adding in a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of ground coriander. I'm also adding a tablespoon of toasted cumin seeds, a teaspoon of ground white pepper and sea salt, and finally I'll be adding a tablespoon of fish sauce, or you can also use shrimp paste. Once this is blended together well, I'm going to start cooking the curry. I've added a tablespoon of vegetable oil into my pan, which is on a medium-high heat. Then I'm going to start adding in the red curry paste. I'm going to fry this for a couple minutes so the paste starts to thicken. After that, I'm adding in my coconut cream. I also poured in 300 ml of chicken stock off camera. I'm going to stir these together, and I'm now going to reduce my heat to a medium heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After that, add in your 3 chicken breasts. I've cut them into small chunks. I'm going to stir this through and combine with the sauce. Next, I'll add in a large sweet potato which has been diced into medium-sized chunks. After your chicken and sweet potato have cooked for 25 minutes on a medium temperature, you now want to add in your baby sweetcorn and Mange Tout and cook for another 10 minutes on a low temperature. After that, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. If you don't have coconut sugar, you can use palm sugar or brown sugar instead, whatever you have in your kitchen. And I'm also going to add in the remaining lime juice. To give some extra flavour to the curry, I'm going to add in some additional coriander and Kaffir lime leaves. I'm leaving 20% of it to the side as I'll be using this for garnish. Once this is all well combined, your dish will be ready to serve. I like to pair my Thai red chicken curry with a fragrant jasmine rice, as these go really well together. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to cook my Thai red chicken curry. This would be a great idea if you're cooking this weekend for family or friends. Let me know how it goes in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.